Hey, this is Paul, and thanks for checking out SweeTango. These apples are beautiful. They were tested for over 10 years before introduced into the market, and they were created by the University of Minnesota, the same creators of the Honeycrisp apple, and it was first released back in 2009, and then it became popular around 2013 is when it kind of caught on. And this cultivar is a cross between Honeycrisp, which I like, and an apple called Zestar, which I have not tried yet. You can see the colors red and yellow. And let's get down to business here and give it a taste. I like to cut them down the middle just to show you the cross section. Here it is. So it's a really beautiful apple. Nice color. Firm. Nice firm texture. And let's see how it tastes. Now I know that this holds the Guinness Book of World Records for the loudest crunch. So check it out. Listen to this. Ready? Mmm. Delicious. So it's very crisp, juicy, sweet, and then it has kind of like a zest vibe, or they call it a spice on the finish of the apple. So it has a very interesting flavor about it, the profile, especially after you have a few bites. I'd define it as kind of really sugary, and a nice balance of sugar and acid with like a little spice on the finish, or zest. So amazing. I'm not sure about the antioxidant level, how long it will take before it oxidizes or turns brown, but I did cut one a little bit earlier and it did not turn brown yet, so it seems to be pretty good. So definitely a beautiful apple. I'd highly recommend it. I enjoy this apple. It's one of my favorite. I'd probably give it like a 9 out of 10. Something about just the crispiness and crunchiness. And it's a nice balance. You can see it bricks at a 13.5, which is a decent score for an apple. And the typical weight of these apples are gonna be a little under half a pound. I believe ours was 200 grams. So, amazing apple. I really like it. I hope you can find some in stores right now. I found ours at Trader Joe's. And I think this would be really good with some type of like a fruit salad is what I'd probably use this apple, or recommend using this apple with. Delicious. All right, give us a like and a subscribe. Check out some of our other apple tasting videos. We hopefully will taste them all someday, or at least most of them.